So dahil tinawag naman ako ng Reddit na yung babaeng nagde-defend ng mga English songs ng BINI, I am here to do that again. A few days ago, BINI released their Shaggy, a single that they want to put out to the world. And yung kanilang title is Shaggy because it is a game basically played by Filipinos back in the days. And parang they used it basically kasi they wanted it to dance to it. They want to make an upbeat song that they could dance to it. Something like a modernized, I don't know, take on the Shaggy Dina game. Tapos sa kanta, if you heard it, you will be able to hear na do my dance, do my dance. Because the game initially is like this. Example, I will do a dance move and you have to follow it. If hindi mo yan ma-follow, then you lose. Basically, that's it. Now, after the release, OA ng ibang mga reaction. Kasi first of all, may nagsabi daw na kino-commodify daw natin ang nostalgia ng Shaggy D. First of all, most of the Blooms didn't even know that it was a game back in the day. I thought when they released the title, kala ko it's just a made-up word, onomatopoeia, ganito, ganyan. Pero hindi pala, it's actually a game. So, paano kino-commodify ng BINI ang game when we didn't even feel nostalgia of it. So, yun nakita ko. First, second of all, sabi daw nila, we know whitewash. This is the most ridiculous. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi to yung pinakaunang na sinabi ko. We know whitewash daw ng BINI ang larong Pinoy. First of all, how can BINI whitewash a Filipino game when first of all they themselves are Filipinos, second of all they're just singing in English? Like paano we know whitewash nila? Third of all, sinasabi nila pang Zumba daw. Now, I am looking for the part san yung insulto kasi I myself as a Zumba I don't know, connoisseur. Like, nagzumba kami when we're working, yung mga Monday namin na parang flag ceremony, after everything, nagzumba kami. Tapos nagzumba kami initially kasi I like Zumba. Zumba, like, it promotes wellness and actually it promotes community. Do not, and I mean do not, fuck up with the Zumba moms and dads kasi nakita nyo ba yung may nag-away ng mga dalawang grupo nagzuzumba? Zumba is actually very serious for us. At the end of the day, masasabi sa sarili ko, it's a 2-minute song at most. Bakit kayo sobrang napaka, like parang yung reaction nila parang, I don't know, like something like that. Wah, 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 wah. Which makes me think na grabe. Grabe yung mga reaction. Talagang nasa BINI ang cloud. Kasi ang daming essay sa Twitter. Ang daming essay sa Reddit. And masasabi ko lang sa sarili ko is, if you are so mad at it, why are you